Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating comparisons in the world of precious stones: sapphire versus diamond. Two gemstones that shaped history, influenced royalty, and continue to dominate the luxury market. But which one is truly the king of value and rarity? Let's take a closer scientific look. Hardness and durability. First, let's talk about hardness. Diamonds are ranked 10 on the Mohs scale, making them the hardest natural material on Earth. Sapphires follow closely behind with a hardness of 9, meaning they're extremely durable and perfect for everyday wear. Scientifically speaking, both stones withstand scratches and pressure, but diamond still holds the ultimate crown in pure hardness. Formation and rarity. Diamonds form deep beneath the Earth's surface under extreme heat and pressure. Many diamonds found today are over 1 billion years old. Sapphires, on the other hand, form from corundum, with traces of iron and titanium giving them their iconic blue color. While diamonds are heavily mined and widely distributed, high-quality blue sapphires are actually rare in nature, especially untreated natural stones. Color and light. Diamonds are known for their unmatched brilliance and fire, that rainbow sparkle created by refraction. Sapphires don't have the same level of fire, but their deep blue saturation gives them a richness and royal elegance that diamonds cannot replicate. That's why sapphire is historically called the Stone of Kings. Scientific value and pricing. Now the part everyone wants to know. Price. Diamond prices depend on the 4 C's: cut, color, clarity, and carat. In today's online market, high-quality diamonds can reach $5,000 to $25,000 per carat, with rare stones going much higher. Sapphire prices depend on color purity and treatment. Fine natural blue sapphires, especially untreated ones, can easily reach $2,000 to $15,000 per carat, and exceptional stones from Kashmir or Burma can exceed $30,000 per carat, making them even more valuable than many diamonds. Investment and long-term value. From an investment point of view, diamonds remain stable, but sapphires, especially untreated stones, have been rising significantly in the American, Canadian, and European markets. Collectors now pay more for stones with natural formation and rich historical value. Conclusion. So which one is better? If you want brilliance, maximum durability, and a symbol of purity, choose diamond. But if you prefer rarity, deep royal color, and long-term collectible value, sapphire may be the superior gemstone. In the end, both are treasures of the earth, and each tells a story of pressure, time, and natural beauty.